Thank you, cabin crew. Please arm your doors. Ladies and gentlemen, it is important that you are familiar with the safety features of this Airbus A320. Please listen. Watch the closest crew member and listen carefully. Thank you.
Hello again. We want you to have a safe and enjoyable flight. So please listen closely while we take you through the safety requirements for our Airbus A320. Your crew are highly trained to help keep you safe, so make sure you listen to and follow their instructions. As we get underway, please make sure your personal electronic devices are in a flight safe mode or otherwise completely switched off. Your carry-on baggage and larger electronic devices should now be placed either under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Check that your seat back is upright, your tray table is stowed away, your armrest is lowered, and your window shade is open. The seatbelt sign above you will be illuminated whenever you must have your seatbelt fastened. To fasten your seatbelt, clip the buckle and clasp, and pull on the loose strap to tighten. Undo the seatbelt by lifting the buckle flap. The seatbelt is most effective when worn low, tight, and throughout the entire flight. Make sure you're familiar with the brace position best suited to your seat. The onboard safety instruction card in your seat pocket shows pictures of your brace position, along with other important safety information. The A320 has 8 emergency exits, which we'll now show you. 2 at the front, 4 over the wing, and 2 at the back of the cabin. Lights will illuminate, showing you the path to follow to these exits. If we need to leave the aircraft quickly, taking your personal items with you will slow you down, so please leave everything behind. If a mask like this appears from above you, pull it down firmly to start a supply of oxygen. Quickly put it over your mouth and nose, and breathe normally. Keep the mask in place by fitting and tightening the strap, and then help others around you. There is a life jacket located in a pouch under your seat. If it is required, remove the life jacket from the pouch, place it over your head, pass the strap around your back, clip it at the front, and then pull on the loose strap to tighten. Only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft by pulling down on the red tags. You can top up your life jacket by blowing into these mouthpieces. The life jacket also has a whistle and a light to attract attention. There are emergency escape and flotation devices accessible from each exit. By law, you must not tamper with or remove any aircraft equipment unless authorised. You must comply with any instructions from our crew and any signs that you see on board. Smoking is not permitted anytime, anywhere on board the aircraft, including in the bathrooms. It's our pleasure to have you on board with us today, and we hope you have an enjoyable flight. Thanks for listening.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying with us today to Cairns, for the local time is 25 to 2. On behalf of our Captain Lance Godwin and all of us in the cabin, it's been a pleasure having you with us on board. Today we'll be using the forward and rear left-hand doors to disembark. Please hold on to the handrails as you move down the stairs and follow the markings on the tarmac into the terminal. Smoking is strictly prohibited as you leave the aircraft and throughout airport buildings. Before you head off, please double check that you have everything with you and be careful when opening the overhead lockers, just in case any luggage may have moved. Ladies and gentlemen, as a courtesy to our oncoming passengers, we ask that you just take a few moments to place the purple safety card to the front of your seat pocket so that it's clear and visible. In addition, as you disembark the aircraft, please could you leave any rubbish items on the aisle seat we failed to collect. Your assistance will be greatly appreciated by the team members. Thank you. If your mobile is within arm's reach, you may now take it out of flight mode. All other electronic devices need to remain switched off until you're inside the terminal. Finally, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It's certainly been a pleasure having you with us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Please enjoy the rest of your day and a safe onward journey. Thank you. Gentle reminder, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Thank you.